In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Trustpilot Reviews, WooCommerce plugin 2025 full WordPress guide. By the end, you'll have the Trustpilot Reviews plugin installed and active on your WordPress site, ready for you to explore. First, open your WordPress website and sign into your dashboard with an account that has administrator access. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see the left-hand menu with items like Dashboard, Posts, Pages, and Plugins. Make sure your WordPress and WooCommerce are already installed and up to date, as that helps avoid compatibility issues. Next, look to the left menu and click Plugins. This is where all your installed plugins live and where we'll add a new one. At the top of that page, click Add New Plugin. This opens the plugin directory, which lets you search and install plugins directly from your dashboard without downloading anything manually. In the search bar on the top right, type Trustpilot. Give it a second to load results. You're looking for the official Trustpilot Reviews plugin that integrates with WooCommerce. Checking the publisher and the number of active installations can help you confirm you've got the right one. Once you've found it, click Install Now. You'll see WordPress download and prepare the plugin. When the button changes, click Activate. Activation turns the plugin on for your site. If you don't see the Activate button, refresh the page and look for the plugin in your installed plugins list to activate it from there. That's it for the installation. From here, feel free to explore the plugin. You'll typically find a Settings or Configure link next to the plugin in your installed plugins list. Inside those settings, you can review the available options, see where it integrates with WooCommerce, and learn how it displays reviews on your product pages and store. If you're new to Trustpilot, the plugin may guide you through connecting or verifying your site within its interface. Take a moment to read any on-screen prompts or tooltips. They're helpful for understanding what each option does. A few quick tips as you explore. If the plugin interface doesn't appear, clear your browser cache and check that WooCommerce is active. If you run into a conflict, temporarily deactivate other recently added plugins to diagnose the issue. And keep your WordPress, theme, and plugins updated so everything runs smoothly. To recap, open your WordPress website, click Plugins, click Add New Plugin, search for Trustpilot, then install and activate the plugin. Now you're ready to explore its features and see how it enhances your WooCommerce store. Thanks for watching and happy building.